Hi, second graders.
Mrs. Hurst and Miss Peters here today to read some more funny books. So today's book is called Three Cheers for Tacky. Tacky's a penguin. I can't wait to see what adventures he gets into. Or trouble. Maybe not adventures. Okay. This is Three Cheers for Tacky by Helen Lester and illustrated by Lynn Munsinger. If you look at the cover, you can see that Tacky is a penguin and he has all these penguin friends. So I bet there might be cheerleading penguins. Let's find out. Three cheers for Tacky. There once lived a group of penguins in a nice icy land. I remember icy lands from our habitat unit, maybe the Arctic. One was goodly, one was lovely, one was angel, one was neatly, and one was perfect. And one was Tacky. Tacky was the odd bird. When they grew old enough, goodly, lovely, angel, neatly, perfect, and Tacky went to school. That looks about right for penguins, an igloo kind of school. They read books. They wrote their names. They learned their numbers. Look at Tacky. He does his things just a little bit differently. I love his math problem. 60,723 plus 1 equals 92 and a half. One day at school, the penguins noticed a sign with an exciting announcement. Their class had been invited to take part in a great penguin cheering contest. Penguin classes from all over the iceberg would be there, and the team with the finest cheer would win shiny blue bow ties. Oh, that's funny because some people say that penguins look like they are wearing tuxedos, and tuxedos usually have a bow tie with them. I didn't catch that the first time I read this. Imagine what they could do with shiny blue bow ties. Neatly, perfect, oh boy, lovely. I'm not gonna remember them all. Look at all of the penguins. And then there's Tacky, tied his feet together. Right after school, goodly, lovely, angel, neatly, and perfect hurried away to practice their cheer. Softly and properly they began. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. Stand up, sit down, say good night. They did it beautifully, even the first time through. Do the letters on the penguin shirts match their names? Let's check. Where are they? Oh, this must be goodly, lovely, angel, neatly, and perfect. Funny. Then up waddled Tacky, a little late and a little loud. What's happening? He blared. We're practicing our cheer. That's what's happening, they replied. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. Stand up, sit down, say good night. Tacky gave it a try. 1, 2, 3, left. A, B, C, right. Flop down. Roll over. Say, what's for supper? That's not the right cheer. Tacky, they said patiently, we are a team, and if you're on the team, you must be exactly like the rest of us. Now they said it patiently, but if you look, they don't look very patient. I think Tacky does this a lot. much to be on the team, so Tacky tried to cooperate and move with a stiff upper lip. Oh, nope, a stiff upper beak like the rest of them. But how could he see where he was going with a stiff upper beak in the way? Have you ever heard that before? A stiff upper lip? It's an old saying, and it just means that he can be just like the rest of them and do exactly like his teammates. And the directions were not always easy. 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3, left. Where is everybody? You wondered. Look, and he kept turning left. Look at what he did. He spun in circles. Tacky had trouble coming up with the proper costume. And his pom-poms were never quite right. Would this team ever have the chance to win the shiny blue bow ties? Oh. Look at the other penguins. What do you think they're thinking right now? Oh boy, these two look like they're whispering something. Tacky looks pretty sad and disappointed. The penguins practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced until finally the day before the contest. 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right, stand up, sit down, say good night. Tacky got it right. How do the other penguins look when Tacky gets it right? Right here in the corner. What do you think? The next morning, teams from all over the iceberg gathered for the great penguin cheering contest. Each team waited nervously to perform, but no team was more nervous than Tacky's. Could he do it right just one more time? Oh boy. The first team marched on stage. Pip, 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 rah! And the judges looked bored. Another team marched forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sis, boom, ba, and backed off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the judges yawned. What did you notice about the other group's performances? Look at the judges. They're yawning. They looked bored. A third team chanted, wave the pom-pom, hold it high, bow politely, say goodbye. And the judges snored. Finally, there was only one team left, Tacky's. With quivering beaks, they faced the sleeping audience and snoring judges. This was it. Notice the judges here in the corner? What do you think will happen if they don't wake up? Oh boy. Think about what do you think might happen next? Goodly, lovely, angel, neatly, perfect, and Tacky began. 1, 2, 3, oh, for crying out loud! Oh, look at Tacky. The audience gasped. Startled by Tacky's loud voice, the odd bird had tripped over... the audience gasped. Startled by Tacky's loud voice, the odd bird had tripped over his tails of his Hawaiian shirt and crashed belly down. Got the attention of the judges. His horrified teammates carried on. 1, 2, 3, right. Poor Tacky, now a bit muddled, pulled his sweater over his head. I think he might be embarrassed. The sight of a headless penguin got the whole crowd laughing. Stand up, sit down, say good night. Oh my goodness, look at him. By now, the crowd was on its feet, begging for more. Bravo! That was great! Another cheer! How do you think the team feels about what Tacky is doing? Oh boy, look at them. How do the judges and the others in the crowd react? They love it. I wonder what happens next. Tacky poked his head out. Another cheer?